moment, of course, our judges will be using these guides, this basis, in identifying the winners for tonight. So I'm going to read to you our criteria and mechanics for judging. So for our criteria, musicianship and technical proficiency, this includes demonstration of instrumental and vocal mastery, accuracy of notes, rhythm, timing, dynamics, intonation, and overall technical execution. That is 30%. Next, we have musical arrangement and creativity, which includes originality, innovation, quality of arrangement, transitions, harmonization, interpretation, unique style, and artistic expression. It's 20%. Stage presence and showmanship, including confidence, charisma, audience engagement, movement, and professionalism, that is 15%. Band cohesion and synchronization, which includes unity, teamwork, communication, balance among instruments, precision, and synchronization throughout the performance, it's 15%. And vocal performance, including vocal quality, tone projection, diction, control, expression, range, and emotional delivery, 10%, and of course, difficulty and execution, including complexity of musical selections and instrumental proficiency, that is also 10%, a total of 100%. So, we also have grounds for deduction. If ever, our performer will exceed the time limit for 1 minute, so that is 1 point per minute of fraction thereof. And use of offensive language or inappropriate content, you will be deducted 1 point for that. So take note of that, ladies and gents. And of course, for our tie-breaking procedure, in the event of a tie, the band with the higher score in musicianship and technical proficiency shall be declared the winners for tonight, or the winner. And our 8 bands tonight will be singing 4 songs, namely reggae, R&B, classic, and slow rock. So again, they will be performing 4 songs for the night to entertain all of us, and of course, to draw inspiration, especially to those as aspiring musicians who are out there, those who are passionate when it comes to bands or music. So I think we are all ready, ladies and gents. So the question is, Osmeña, are we all ready? Inay kaayo, are we all ready? Okay, so I think we are all ready. So ladies and gents, themselves, the Astral, a big hand please. So for our different performers, they will be given few minutes, of course, for their sound check. Performers tonight are having their sound check and set up. Allow me to acknowledge the following sponsors for making this event possible right here in our municipality. To our local chief executive for the financial support, Honorable Mayor Glenn and you. Our Vice Mayor, Honorable Vice Mayor Ziggy William Lee. Of course, we have the head of the Metro, Sir John Fuerzas. From the BA, Mr. Sadanito Bergado. We have Mr. and Mrs. Dixon. Honorable Wilbert Fredo, our APC President. Ruel Alpina, our former Mayor. Alinu Gutierrez, and the Bride Captain of Sinai, Honorable Riza Bugali. Thank you very much for showing your support, making this Battle of the Bands 2026 here in Cedro Osmeña possible. So after our Battle of the Bands tonight, there will be a big disco. So don't go home right away because we will enjoy the rest of the night as we celebrate the 63rd founding anniversary of this town.
Check, 1, 2, check, 1, test.